What if your kid could draw something like this, and just a few hours later, turn it into something like this? Today, we're putting AI to the test. What's up, everyone? I am Aaron. Welcome back to the Printasaurus. One of my favorite things about 3D printing is the ability to bring things to life. But not all of us have the time that it requires to learn how to 3D render something. Your CAD programs, Blender, things like that. It all takes time to learn. What if all you needed was a drawing? So today, we're going to take a look at Hi3D. It is an AI program that allows us to take one of these drawings and potentially bring it to life. So let's check it out and see if we can do it. This is the first drawing we're going to test. Now, if you spent any time around kids, you know they come up with some pretty cool ideas. So we have our drawing. We need to jump on Hi3D.ai to get started, and then we need to pick a plan. I went with the Pro plan. You've got a couple of different options. There will be a link down below. Use that link, and there will also be a promo code that will save you 50% off your monthly subscription. So take a look at that. Let's get going. The process starts with uploading your drawing into Hi3D. From there, the AI analyzes the image and begins creating a 3D model. One thing I immediately noticed is how straightforward the workflow is. So this looks pretty good so far. We have like a plate in the background, so let's figure out how to get rid of that and actually turn this into a full 3D model. So it looks like one of the options we can use is multi-view to 3D. So we'll click on that, we'll upload the front view of our image, and now we can render a back, a left, and a right side to create a three-dimensional object. And this is starting to look pretty good. So taking a look at this thing, the overall proportions are there. A lot of the personality looks like it's been captured from the drawing. Is it perfect? No, it's not quite perfect. But honestly, that's not what we're looking for. I want to make sure this is recognizable and is somewhat close to the drawing that my daughter made. And so far, I feel like this is pretty good. So we've got our drawing rendered. It's looking really good. This is what Hi3D calls the 1536 resolution, which is their high resolution. And it does look really good. A lot of details captured. So I don't think we have any issues there. One thing we can do is we can actually edit this. This is a newer feature, it looks like. So we'll click on that. And then once we're in here, we can do a lot of things. We can do a smart arrangement where we can actually select which printer. The library isn't very big yet, but I would imagine that's going to expand. They do have the printer that I'm going to use, which is the H2C, so I'll select that. And then we can also, at the bottom here, export it to our slicer. You have a few options, Orca, you've got Bamboo Studio, and Elgu. So you've got a couple of options. We're just going to download our file, but let's explore some of these other features. So we've got Smart Tools, which allows you to scale, do things like that. And then you've also got a feature where you could add a base, and it looks like they've got a number of different selections here, and we can scale those and make them fit our model. So you've got a couple of options within Hi3D to do things, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and download our model. We're going to send it to our printer. So the 3MF that we downloaded, uploaded perfectly fine in Bamboo Studio. We have our support set, and now it's time to send this to the printer and start printing. And while we wait for this print to finish, let me tell you, the kids are excited. They have been drawing nonstop. This is going to be something I think, or at least I have a feeling, we're going to be using a lot, because there's going to be a lot more drawings coming. So our print is done. We've got it off the printer. You guys remember this drawing, and check this out. This is really cool. Kids are stoked. They are extremely happy with how well this turned out. And that's probably the coolest thing about this program using Hi3D AI is we can take something the kids make or you make and turn it into a 3D print, minimal effort. This is something the whole family can do. You can enjoy it, do it together, bring those creations to life. This thing is fantastic. So that is this one here. I'm going to show you one more that turned out pretty cool. So part of testing this, I wanted to test repeatability because I knew the kids were going to want to do more than one. So I showed you earlier, my son also drew a picture here. This is a three-headed dragon. And what we did was the same process, uploaded it, used the multi-view creator, and I added a descriptor. So there's a section there that you can also add a description. So I added the description to kind of fine tune this a little bit more. since this one is more of a flat drawing and a little harder to distinguish. And this is what it came up with. And let me tell you, my son was through the roof for this one, and I think it turned out pretty good. He got some paint markers, painted it up, but you know, this is, again, what it's all about. It is so cool that there are technologies out there that make this whole process as easy as it was. And I've used a couple of other ones, and I will say that Hi3D, so far, it is very simple. You take a picture of your object, you upload it, you have a couple of options there. You can fine tune if you want to within Hi3D using the edit tool, and then you can export it to your printer directly, or you can download it. So there's a lot of things there that make this process easy, and I couldn't be happier with this experience. That link is down below. You can save some off of your monthly subscription, so please take a look at that. And Hi3D. Really interested to see how this develops and what new features they add to it as well. So like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know if you try it, and if you do, what do you guys make and how do you guys use it? So please put that down below. Love to hear from you. Can't do this without you guys. See you in the next video.